or a clear manifestation that our product, Courtier, is indeed very, very effective, because they cannot, of course, risk losing their medical license, just by speaking half truth or a lie, right? So congratulations to our product. Anyway, I would like to call on our first sharer. He is Dr. Bienvenido Tamano. He is a diplomate and fellow in family medicine, a diplomate in International Board of Lifestyle Medicine, a diabetologist, clinical consultant, Tagaytay Medical Center, Hospital ng Tagaytay and Silang Specialist Medical Center. He is a Railway Diamond 1-star. Dubien will be sharing his patient's case, who is a 94-year-old man who had been in ICU every month. But after taking Courtier, those stops to ICU stop. So ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our first sharer this afternoon, Dr. Bienvenido Tamano.
Okay, good afternoon. It's another privilege this afternoon to be able to join this Zoom telemeeting about Relay for DR Placenta. And before I start, I would like to thank Dr. Olarte for this invitation, and Lindy as well for this invitation. And may I have the privilege of also greeting some doctors who I have invited to join and view this telemeeting on 4DR this afternoon. So again, I'm Dr. Bienvenido Tamano. I'm now 65 years old, and I'm a medical practitioner from Tagaytay Medical Center. Basically, I am a primary care physician, being a family medicine specialist. I'm also a lifestyle medicine practitioner and a diabetologist. So I deal with a lot of diabetic patients on my daily medical practice. Diabetic patients comprise about 80 to 85% of my patients. And also I'm into the academy because I am privileged to be a teacher also in the Adventist University of the Philippines College of Medicine, just like Dr. Leo Olarte, who is a co-faculty. Before I proceed, may I ask the permission of the viewers to allow me to, from time to time, take a look into my cue card so I don't miss my sequence. Thank you. I did not have enough knowledge about stem cell to start with, not until sometime in December 2018, when I had a conversation with Dr. Olarte during one of our academic fellowship program in AUP, where he discussed to me the benefits of 4-year placenta and was telling me about his personal experience about taking the product himself. So I started to be curious and to start some research about 4-year placenta. Personally, I thought, how should I be able to experience the same experience of Dr. Olarte if I don't try the product myself? So I thought of signing up and started a 7-bottle package, which I took personally. Initially, I took 2 capsules in the morning, then 2 capsules in the evening, which is the usual way we allow our patients to take this 4-year on the intensive phase. Actually, if you're going to ask me how is my medical history, I am hypertensive, but my blood pressure is very well controlled with a very low dose of beta blocker. I'm also an impaired glucose tolerant patient, and I used to take metformin on a once daily basis. I used to be very dyslipidemic before with elevated triglycerides, elevated LDL, elevated VLDL, and a moderately elevated SGPT. In other words, just like the qualities, the characteristics of a metabolic syndrome were in me. So I started taking Portier placenta. It was not, the effect to me was not overnight. It was like about 3 to 4 weeks after taking the capsules that I started to experience changes. Changes that were apparent even if they were not overnight. Based on my personal experience, admittedly, there are some, for sure, there are effects that we cannot quantify. But so far as the things that I started to experience, I started to be more focused and more alert in what I do each day, in my tasks. I started to get some compliments from family members, even from my patients, saying that, "Doctor, what happened to your skin? It looks like your skin is continuously brightening and getting smoother." Things like that. My endurance for exercise became significantly improved. I became able to sleep well each night. And more importantly, after about 2 to 3 months of taking Portier, my lipid panel became normal. My blood sugar became very well controlled. My BP became very well controlled as well. And my SGPT went back to normal. I was amazed with the results of Portier. I may not have very big medical problems myself, but these things mean a lot to me. Having a well-controlled blood sugar, having a good BP, having a good lipid panel. So I thought this product must really be very good because I have this personal experience of getting these benefits and good results. So since then, I started recommending gradually Portier placenta to my patients in whom I see complications of diabetes. There are quite a number of them now who are on Portier, and most of them have varied conditions, like, for example, some of them in whom I have prescribed Portier placenta are having chronic osteoarthritis, poorly controlled blood sugar, poorly controlled blood pressure, diabetic neuropathy, which is very common as a complication in diabetic patients. Some of them have beginning dementia, and I thought Portier placenta may be able to help them delay at least the progression of dementia. All these patients have so far demonstrated improvement. But one of the most striking experience that I would like to share with you this afternoon, I have already shared it in one of the telemeetings under Ma'am Lindy. So I would like to repeat it this afternoon. It's about a patient of mine who is like the mother of Dr. Lecciones. This patient of mine is 94 years old. He's a male patient who up to now is enjoying a very good quality of life. Why? These are the pictures of this patient. The one in where he's in blue is a picture just about a month after he has been taking Portier placenta. And this is a very late picture of my patient. the one where is in red. If you will take note of, firstly, the color of the hair of my patient has changed significantly from being very, very white to slightly blackish and brownish now. For which my patient is so happy. He keeps on telling, what's happening to my hair, doctor? Is it because of the effect of 4th-year placenta? Even my skin at 94 years old has begun to change in its texture. This patient has been recurrently anemic in the past, but now each time we request for update CBCs in this patient, we would find his hemoglobin levels to be normal throughout. You might ask questions that may be in your mind now. What could be the lifestyle of this patient who, at his 94 years of age, is he still experiencing a good quality of life? Is it because of his medications? What is his secret? We know that the average lifespan of a Filipino now, according to the WHO, is only 72 years. But this patient has gone up the scale and still enjoying his life at 94 years old. Is it because of 4th-year stem cell? If I may be asked that question, I would straightly answer it with a resounding partly yes. Because since the time this patient took placenta regularly, he's now on his 5th 7-bottle cycle. And this is still enjoying the effects of 4th-year placenta. Because 4th-year placenta stem cell really did something unbelievable to this patient. This patient